Good afternoon, students. Let us continue with our revision work. Lesson 6 Interrogative Sentences. First, we will go through the content of the lesson. Thereafter, we will have our book exercises and copy work. What is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. And in the interrogative sentence, we have to remember an interrogative sentence always end with a question mark. Example, Ravi is in the park. It is a positive sentence. Now we have to turn this into interrogative sentence. Is Ravi in the park? So remember, the B form of the words will carry on with the capital letter in the beginning, and thereafter we follow the rest of the words in the sentence to form the interrogative sentence. You were happy, affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Were you happy? So remember, soon after the helping verb or the be form of the verbs, we use not. We start with that as a starting sentence for the interrogative sentence. So we have is, was, were, all these will be the starting for our interrogative sentences. Only do, does, did. The sentences are in the simple present tense we use to form the interrogative sentence, starting with the does or do. Does for singular and do for plural. And for the simple past tense, both for singular and plural we use did. Let us see some examples. Hari laughs loudly. Affirmative sentence, simple present. Does Hari laugh loudly? Only keep in mind, when we use simple present tense and we turn into interrogative sentence, when we use does, the verb we do not use yes. For example, Hari laughs loudly. But when it turn into interrogative sentence, does. When we use does Hari laugh, not laughs. So we remove that yes because already does has an yes. So does Hari laugh loudly? My parents go to the park for a week. Do my parents go to the park for a week? So plural we use do and singular we use does. And when it is in the present and past continuous tense, we have the option is, am, are, was, were, subject plus present participle form of the ing form. Rekha is sweeping the rooms. Is Rekha sweeping the rooms? These plants are growing well. Are these plants growing well? Again, interrogative sentences with the question words we have. Where do you live? Or whose drawing won the prize? So if you see, this is like known as like question words. Which, what, why, who, where, whom, all these are known as a question words. So we have to use the question word. Thereafter we have the main verb. Then we have the subject or the verb. Use of question tags. Now next topic, how we can make use of the question tags. Question tags are used to confirm the statement it follows. We have to remember in this question tag, only just for our understanding, a positive statement has a negative question tag and a negative statement has a positive question tag. For example, you are tired. It's a positive statement. And negative question tag, it will be for aren't you? No, aren't you tired? He is not cheating us. It's a negative statement and we have to ask the positive question tag. Is he? Not confirming that we are asking, is he really cheating us? Example, it is quite late, isn't it? They are not angry with me, are they? Shika has not complained. Has she? So these are the some examples of your copy work, and we have let us see the book exercises from page 27. Turn the sentences into interrogative sentences. I am doing my homework. Am I doing my homework? He was absent from class yesterday. Was he absent from class yesterday? The carpenter has made a chair. Did the carpenter make a chair? The cow is a useful animal. Is the cow a useful animal? He is a renowned painter. Past tense. Is he a renowned painter? The girls have gone to the dance classes. Have gone. So did the girls go to the dance class? Ravi is reading a book. Is Ravi reading a book? The boys are playing football. Are the boys playing football? She was suffering from jaundice. Was she suffering from jaundice? This is his shirt. Is this his shirt? So, always remember the use of does, do and did with the singular plural and simple present, simple past, past and present continuous tense. We have the question words. Dash will the bus arrive at the stop? When? Now, according to the sentence situation, we have to put the question words. Dash, do you solve this quiz? How do you solve this quiz? Who are these strangers? What is your sister's name? Whose book is this? Where is their home? Whom do you want to meet? So these are the some examples about the question words. We have again the using the appropriate question tags. I have already solved and given to you this. You remember. He will visit us tomorrow, won't he? Pakistan is in the west of India, isn't it? He comes to school on time, doesn't he? Your sister painted well, didn't she? I have kept my promise, haven't I? So these are the question tags given in your book. Please go through your book, learn it and prepare yourself for the test. For the next class, we'll have the lesson 7 and 8. Thank you.